the text. Laws of exponent, we have done multiplication, division, power of a power, anything raised to 0. So all these questions we have done. Okay. Another question I'm giving you. Suppose question is 2 into, this is not from exercise, okay, for practice we are doing on 9 into 4. Okay.
Ma'am, can we give answer in chat?
This you can do. No, this I am solving. Exercise the question we can do. Okay, those who can do, good. Others, those who have not yet understood, can observe over here how I'm going to do. So these are just simple questions. Yahan pe see, this is already prime. Power mein given hai, but this you can break. Okay. How can you break in prime factors? 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2. And 4 also I can break 2 raised to 2. Now, how many 2's are there? So all the powers will make it together. 2 raised to 1 plus 5, okay, into 3 raised to 4. Divided by this 2, I'll write below. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. 2 raised to 6 minus, because minus 2, and into 3 raised to 4 minus 2, because when division, when you have division of same bases and powers are different, so subtraction takes place. So denominator se hat gaya, 2 raised to 6 minus 2 is 4.
2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2.
Okay, so if you simplify this will be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, right? Into 3 3s are 9. So answer is how much?
16 into 9. 1 minute.
Ma'am, 144.
144.
144. Okay. So understood how we'll do these type of questions, simplification. Can we start with our exercise question?
Yes.
Okay, then you start sending the answer in chat. Let me share the textbook first. Just a minute.
We are doing exercise.
Yes, we'll do exercise. Let me take out textbook or PDF first. This is the textbook. Question number 1, write down the answer in chat. You know how to write the power. I have already told you how to write the power.
Yes.
Okay. Star or asterisk, you can mark and write the answer. Okay. So what is the answer for first one?
Ma'am, do we have to write the finalized answer also, or do we have to write the answer?
No, only because they have asked you to write the answer in exponential form. Means don't expand it. Only in the power form only you have to write. Correct answer?
I give answer in chat.
Abdullah and Amina, correct answer.
Ma'am, we can do all three together.
We don't have
We
to
can
simplify more.
No,
We
no,
can
no.
add
Only
all
power
three.
के form में. Anas 13 किधर से आ गया? 3, yes, Rashna,
I'm
correct.
sorry, ma'am. 3 power 14.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can do all three together. Like we can add all three together. together, the
Yes, you can
exponents.
add. Addition can be done not together. So you can add all together.
I send him the second one.
Second. Second is 15. Yes, correct answer. Sufyan, correct answer. Anas, correct answer. Muhammad, correct answer. First one.
Ma'am, Abdullah, ma'am, second answer I gave.
Yahya, correct answer. Ibrahim, first answer correct. Munib, correct.
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Okay. So,
Ma'am, did you get my answer in the chat?
Ma'am, my
I gave the
answer,
second one.
I gave
Ma'am, I gave the third one.
I also gave the.
let me check the questions first.
Ma'am, can you check mine? I sent.
Okay. Yeah, Rashta, second part is correct. Ibrahim, first part is correct. Munib, second part correct. Abdullah, second part correct. Anas, Anas, wrong answer. A ka. C part, wrong answer. Yahya, wrong answer. C, wrong answer. Sufyan.
Ma'am, C
Question
answer
is
is A. Ma'am, C answer is A5. A power 5.
But you have written A raised to 1. Munib, correct
Oh.
answer C part. Amina, correct answer C part. Yes,
How
Yahya,
are we supposed to do that,
correct.
Diva?
Ma'am, I
Ibrahim,
also gave.
correct answer. Sufyan, C part, correct answer.
I
Rasta,
sent
C
the
part, correct answer. Let me check all the chat messages first of all. C part, Abdullah, correct answer. Fourth answer, I'm going to check now.
How
Okay.
are we supposed to do the
Ma'am,
fourth?
that
one?
is
I don't
7x, no?
understand.
So 7 raised to x. Anyone can do this? Amina, wrong answer. 7, no.
Ma'am,
2,
can you check my third answer
Wrong.
for the third question?
A raised to 5 is correct. Okay.
Ma'am, my
Okay.
answer, ma'am. My third
No,
one.
no, no. Wait. I'll do this question. Let me do this. Fourth one, you are not able to do.
Ma'am, I gave fourth answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
I
did not
sent the fourth
understand
answer.
fourth one. I did not understand
No,
fourth
wrong
one.
answer.
Ma'am, for the
7
fourth
is-
one, you're supposed to find the value of.
Ma'am, I sent you
No,
fourth
X
answer.
will be as it is. Answer, everyone is giving fourth answer wrong. So let me do
Ma'am,
it.
it's 7x minus 5.
Ma'am, it's 14 raised to x plus 2.
No. You cannot do that. Here answer is, you can use when the bases are same. So 7 is same or yahan pe x and 2. Apply the rule 7 raised to x plus 2 is
X
the answer.
plus 2, 7 to x.
So we cannot write
7
7 raised to 2x.
nahi. This
7
is the
raised
answer.
to 2x. 7
No.
raised to
7 raised to 2x kaise hoga? Ibrahim, x and 2 can you add? It
Ma'am,
cannot
that
be
will
2.
be 2x na. It will it
No,
will
no. How it will be 2x?
2x is
X
multiplication.
plus 2 is not 2x. X into 2 is 2x. Is it clear, Ibrahim?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 7 raised to x plus 2. They are unlike term. You cannot add it. So 7 raised to x plus 2 is the correct answer. Next answer.
Ma'am, I gave 7x plus 2.
Ma'am, fifth answer is
Where have
5.
you written? No, you wrote something else. X square you wrote. Sufyan, what did you write? Yeah. You wrote a 7 star x.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
gave for
you
fifth
are
one.
correct.
I gave for
Oh,
fifth
Yeah.
one.
Ma'am,
Okay,
mine
now
correct, ma'am.
other answers.
Ma'am, mine
Say
correct for
the
fifth one.
fifth one.
Yes, I gave for fifth one.
Mine correct.
Yes, Anas correct. Munib wrong. Abdullah correct.
Ma'am, now it is correct.
Yes.
I send you the fifth question.
Amina correct. Sufyan correct.
Ma'am, my sixth one.
Sixth one wrong, Anas.
Ma'am, did you see my?
Rashta,
I
wrong
sent you.
answer.
Ma'am,
You
I
have to
gave sixth
subtract.
one,
This
ma'am.
is division.
Ma'am,
I
I gave
sent you
sixth one.
sixth one. I also sent you sixth one.
Yahya correct. Abdullah wrong. 10 नहीं है ना Abdullah?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sixth question में 2 raised to 5.
Ma'am, can you check my fifth answer?
I also gave you fifth answer.
Fifth answer or sixth answer, Muni?
Sorry, sixth answer. Sixth answer.
Aisha Yahoo, wrong answer.
Ma'am, can you check mine?
Munib, sixth answer is correct. Rashta, correct answer. Fifth one. Amina, correct answer. Sixth one. Abdullah, wrong answer. Ulta likh rahe ho. You're writing reverse. 2 multiple 5 is what? You have to simplify, Anas. 2 multiplied by 5 is what? 10. Raised to 5 raised to 5. So this is 10 raised to 5.
Ma'am, for the seventh one, there is
Munib,
no
correct
digit.
answer, seventh one.
Ma'am, for the seventh one, there is no digit, so we will write a bracket A.
AB, right?
Yeah,
AB.
AB 4.
Yes.
Ma'am, the fifth answer is 5 raised to 3, na?
Yes.
And the sixth is 10 raised to. Okay.
Yes, Rashta, correct answer.
Ma'am, I gave for 8 one.
Ma'am, how will it be 10 raised to 5, ma'am?
2 into 5 is 10 now.
Ma'am, my eighth one is correct.
But
Power
10
is same.
But 2
Pa-
5s
pa-
are also
if
there,
Use
na?
this law.
The power is same, so we will multiply the base, no? So 2 into 5
Multiply
is 10
the
and the power
base
is
and
5.
power remains same. This is the law.
Ma'am, my eighth one
That's
is
the
correct.
fourth law. Ma'am, can you check my seventh one?
Ma'am, I sent
Can
you
you
8
Wait,
one
one by
also.
one. Let me check all.
Can you check seventh one, ma'am?
Muhammadi sixth answer is correct.
I sent you 8 one. ma'am.
Aisha Yahoo seventh answer is correct. Sufyan, which answer you have sent? Eighth answer. Yes, eighth answer is correct. Rashta, correct answer. Seventh one. Who else has sent me the answer?
Ma'am,
I sent you
Ma'am, can you
8
check
one.
Ma'am,
mine?
I send you
I sent
8
you
to 1.
8 one.
Ma'am, can you check my seventh one?
Seventh is correct, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I gave you
Ma'am.
8.
Anas
my-
wrong. Muhammadi correct. Abdullah correct.
8.
2 power 8. Which answer you are giving, Anas?
9th one.
3 power 12. Which answer? Correct. Eighth one is 3 raised to 12.
Ma'am, I gave you for 8 one. Did you check?
No, I didn't get Munib. Eighth one.
Ma'am, I sent you 3 raised
Ma'am,
to
I
Ma'am, I
sent
sent
eighth
you
one.
7th, 8th, ma'am.
No, Rashta wrong.
Ma'am, I sent you
Amina.
again. Did you receive?
Amina, you're sending ninth one. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I sent you.
Ma'am, I sent you the
Correct.
8 one again.
Amina correct.
Ma'am, I also gave you 9th one, ma'am.
Munib, it is wrong.
Ma'am, I also gave you 9th
When
one.
power to
I'm
the power
sending-
is there, power is multiplied. That rule.
Ma'am, my 9th one is correct.
Ma'am, can you check my
Ma'am, I
eighth
sent
one?
eighth one.
It is wrong,
Ma'am.
Abdullah.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
check
Ma'am,
the
I
eighth
gave the
wrong,
one?
last one. Ma'am, I gave the last one.
Ma'am, my 9th one.
Ma'am, I gave the 8th one.
Ma'am, I also gave the eighth one.
Ma'am, my 9th one is correct.
Ma'am, my 9th one is
Eighth
correct.
one is wrong, Rashta. Ibrahim
Ma'am,
wrong.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
my
sent you
Eighth
last
one is
one.
correct. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Eighth one
mine is
is correct.
correct. Eighth one.
Ibrahim and Rashda, eighth one is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes,
my
I
9th
sent
one.
you last one. I sent you last one.
Ma'am, I also sent you last one. Ma'am, I gave you 9th one. Is it
Ma'am,
correct?
my 9th correct. Correct.
Amina, correct, last one. Yahya, 2 raised to
Ma'am,
8.
my 9th one.
Yeah, correct answer.
Also 9th one, ma'am.
Anas किधर है? Anas का
Yeah, ma'am, I have sent you, huh? I have sent you two times. 2 power 8.
have sent me. Yes, it is correct, Abdullah. 9th one is correct.
Did you receive mine?
Ma'am, now received it.
Yes. Rashta
Ma'am, I
correct
sent the
answer.
9th.
Yes, Anas correct answer. 9th one. Aisha correct answer. 9th one.
No, I'm
Abdullah
sending
correct
again.
answer. 9th one.
Ma'am, I gave 10th answer also last.
Ma'am, I gave you now 9th
Yeah,
one answer. Did you
10th answer
receive?
correct. Abdullah 10th answer correct. Muneeb 9th answer correct. You know what you have to do now? 20 minus 15. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3, which is 2 raised to 8. 5 plus 3. And here it is 8 raised to t minus 2.
Ma'am, can you see my 9th answer?
I have given 9th answer, 2 raised to 8 over here.
It's correct then.
Yeah.
I gave you for the last one.
What you have written, Muneeb? 0 raised to r plus 2. R nahi hai, t
Ma'am,
hai.
So it
I
is
sent
T.
you last one.
Ma'am, it is very small for me.
Yes.
So I thought it was
Correct,
T.
Rashta. 8 raised to t minus 2. Okay, let us do simplification question now and send me the answers now. You have to break this into prime factorization. Okay, so I'll just give you hint. 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 4, and 4 is what? 2 raised to 2. 3 into 32 ko write down,
Ma'am,
find out.
4.
prime
Ma'am, 8, ma'am. 4, ma'am, 8 raised to 4 or 4 raised to
8
8.
is not prime number. You have to write in prime
Ma'am, 4
factor.
raised to 8, ma'am.
4 is not prime number.
2 we can write in 2.
2 raised
Correct. 2 raised to 5. Now solve it and send the answer.
Muneeb, can you mute very much background?
Ma'am, if this 3 is constant, then it will be 3 raised to 1, right?
Yes.
If the 3 is
Write the
constant,
answer in exponential form. Okay. Don't simplify it. You have to write the answer in exponent form only. Yeah. Yes, Amina, what did you ask?
if the 3 is constant, then it will be 3 raised to 1, right?
Ma'am, I sent the
Ma'am, I
answer.
gave you the answer.
Sufyan's answer is correct. Abdullah wrong. Aisha Yahoo, prime factors cancel. पावर 2 के पावर ऐड कर लो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. Amina wrong. Everyone try. Let me see who all are getting correct answer. Then I'll do. Yeah, wrong. Extra 2. How come all of you are getting?
Ma'am, because it is in 2 raised to 5, and then 2 raised to 5, 5 minus 5 will be 0.
0 na?
Ma'am, I sent the answer for the second.
Oh,
First one. I want first one answer. Second one is correct. First one, Rashta, send the answer for the first one.
now can you check?
Ma'am, how we will multiply 3 raised to 4 and 3?
Ma'am, now can you check the answer of the first
Abdullah,
one?
now it is correct. Now Yahya, it is correct. Amina, correct. 1 is, you don't need to write 1 because anything multiplied by 1 is same number. So just 3 raised to 3 is the answer for this. How? 2 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5 into 3 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 3. This gets cancelled out. Means 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 ho jata hai. Here you get 3 raised to, how much we are
Ma'am,
getting?
where did 2 raised to 2 go?
3
It
plus
got cancelled. Ma'am, 3 raised to 4 and 3, how we will do, ma'am?
Acha, so you added 3 plus 2
when
7
bases are same, powers are added.
No, I did not understand this division rule which you cancelled na 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5.
अरे 2 raised anything same होता है जब multiplication में 2 by 2 तो cancel होता है ना. Also you can apply 5 minus 5, 2 raised to 0, which is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Is it clear?
Ma'am, how
but
did
if
you
you are
divide 3 raised to 4
only the
and 3?
exponents will come out now, and the exponents are coming out, then the whole number is then 2 is the left exponents are out now.
What did you ask, Abdullah?
Ma'am, I also want to ask.
I said that the exponents we minus the exponents and it is gone. So only 2 is
Yes.
left, so the whole number is left, so we will write 2 only, no?
No. Anything, see, you got, the power is 0 now, right? You got, when you subtracted 5 minus 5, power is 0. There is a rule, anything raised to 0, answer is 1. So instead of writing 2 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 5, this whole thing is 1. Understood?
Okay.
So then base will not be there. When the power
Ma'am, we
is
are
0,
cutting the denominator.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, we are cutting the down 1 3, so we can cut 1 3 from the up also, so that's why the answer came 3 raised to 3.
Or you can use 3 raised to 4 minus 1. Division may powers are subtracted.
I did expand form. It came 4 times, so then I cut 1 from each because we are cutting.
That also you can do, but वो लंबे question में नहीं होगा. You have to use power and exponent का laws.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the next one now.
I'll send you second question.
Ma'am, I'll send you the second question.
Amina correct answer. Yahya correct answer. Sufyan correct answer. Second one. Third one.
Ma'am, Abdullah Patel gave the answer in
Yes,
chat.
correct answer. Rashda, 5. Rashda, third answer you sent. Just a moment. Let me check it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send you third answer.
Third answer is wrong, Rashda.
No, I sent you second.
Muhammad Muhammadi second is correct.
Ma'am, can you check
Aisha
my?
correct.
Ma'am,
Can you check my
third
second
answer?
answer?
I also sent you
Amina,
second answer.
third answer is correct. Yahya, third answer is wrong. Ibrahim, second answer is correct. Sufyan, which answer you have sent?
Fourth
Did
one.
you receive my second one?
Fourth one is correct, Sufyan. Munib, third is correct. No, second is correct, sorry.
I sent you second, I did not do third.
Aisha, third is wrong. Aisha and Rashda, both of you got same answer, but it is wrong.
I don't understand how to do the third one.
25 raised to 4, how will you write 25? 5 square.
Prime factorization.
square. Outside is 4 then. 25 can be written as 5 square. Outside is 4 divided by 5 cube. Okay. So this is 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 raised to 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5.
5.
So 5 raised to 5 is the answer.
Ma'am, for the third one, can you check my answer in the chat box?
A raised to 5 we have written, Ibrahim. It is 5 raised to 5.
How, ma'am, it
I
is 5
gave you
raised to
the
5?
answer
Where
for
is A, Ibrahim? In the question you have written A.
The third one, ma'am. I'm saying.
Third one,
gave
A
you
is not there. Where is A?
Oh, sorry. I by mistakenly did the wrong question.
I gave you the answer for the third one.
Sufyan, which question you have sent?
Ma'am, the sixth one.
Sufyan, you have to write the answer as that is incomplete answer that you have written.
Ma'am, but we have to write in exponential form, right?
See, this is simple. 3 raised to 7, niche bhi 3 raised to 7. This one you are doing, na?
No,
Fifth one you are-
No, I did the sixth one.
Okay. This is wrong. Sixth one is wrong then.
Ma'am, the sixth one. Ma'am, I'm not understanding the fourth one, ma'am.
Okay, fourth one I'll do.
Ma'am, I have sent you the answer.
Okay, check it from here. Yeah. 3 into. All are prime numbers, okay? 21 ko 7 into
Ma'am,
3.
is this the answer? I just sent you for the sixth one.
Yes, now it is correct. Okay, so 3, so यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3 by 3 तो cancel हो गया, right?
Yeah, ma'am,
7 by 7 into 11 raised to 8 by 11 cube is
ma'am, it
equal
is
to
7 raised to 1. I mean 7 only, and it is 11 raised to 4.
11 raised to 5. 7 into 11 raised to 5. Yeah, wrong answer. This is fourth question I have done over here.
Ma'am, fifth one is 0.
No. Answer is 1. Fifth answer is 1. I have done over here.
Ma'am,
Aisha,
sixth
yeah.
answer is also 1, ma'am. Seventh
No.
answer.
6 is not 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3.
Ma'am, there is 2 bar 6 question in it.
Seventh answer.
3, ma'am. It is 1 only. It is 1.
1 into 1 into 1 is 1.
Ma'am.
Eighth one.
Then 2. 2.
1 plus
Ma'am.
1, 2,
2.
and 2 into 1.
2.
Yes. Next one, ninth one. Do ninth one.
Ma'am, how did you break down in the fourth question? 21, you did 7 into 3 because there was no prime factor for that.
No, 7 and 3 is prime factor only.
Yes,
21
but
factorization is 7 into 3.
we do that square wala na, like we write like
हाँ,
that.
तो do it. उससे भी वही आएगा.
Okay.
Every time you don't require, you can do mentally also.
The answer for ninth one is 4 raised to 13 into a.
No. 4 के फॉर्म में मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
So 2 के फॉर्म में चाहिए.
प्राइम फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में चाहिए. Which answer you are telling me? Ninth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth का question क्या है? 2 and 4. हाँ. तो prime factors, tell me the answer in the form of prime. And A. You will get A also because question में A है.
Yes, ma'am. What I found is 30, ma'am. 2.
Write down the answer in chat. Sufyan, correct answer. Ninth one, Sufyan got correct. Abdullah, no, wrong answer. Which answer you are sending?
9th one, ma'am.
No, it is wrong. You cannot write 4 in the answer. Base cannot be 4. Base should be prime.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. I will do 2.
Anyone else is doing ninth question?
I am sending answer.
Ma'am, in the sixth one we applied that
correct
rule now.
answer.
The sixth
And
rule
one.
that anything raised to 0 will be 1.
Yes, that only we used in previous questions, no? 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8.
Ma'am, I sent you 9th answer.
No, it is wrong. Aisha Yahoo also wrong. Abdullah wrong. Okay, let me do it. Everyone is getting wrong. So I'm erasing all the questions that I have.
Wait,
done
ma'am,
till-
I'm almost done.
Okay. So I'm going to do now question number 9. But I need space. Can I erase question 4 over here?
Ma'am, I sent again for the question number 9.
Munib, you are correct. -2 you have written, kya?
Yes.
नहीं, -2 नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am, अरे हाँ, sorry,
I
sorry,
also
no,
sent
I
it to
wrote
9th
ulta,
question.
sorry.
Check.
I wrote ulta.
2 raised to 8 into A raised to 5. I'm doing 9th question, those who have not got. Okay.
Ma'am, I
I
sent
found
you.
the answer
Ma'am,
for
I
9th
sent
one.
you
Can you
now.
check?
Ma'am, now it is correct, no?
It is correct, but you can write it in one step more.
Ma'am,
is
2
required.
raised to 8 minus.
No, Amina, wrong. Amina and Muni, both you have written the answer. Means it is correct, but one
Ma'am.
step is left. One more step is required. More simplification.
अरे
A
हाँ,
raised
ma'am,
to
I
2.
forgot.
Different powers are same. How will you write?
A raised to 2, ma'am.
Rashta, you
Ma'am, I
also
sent the
have
answer.
one
Ma'am,
more
it will be
step.
2a raised to 2.
Yes, 2a whole ka power 2. That way you have to write now. Okay, let me check. 2 cube into a raised to 5. Let me check the answer there. 2
How did
square
you do 2, 3? Ma'am, now it is correct, no?
is not there in the question. Where is 3 in the question?
Ma'am, Ma'am,
so
you
you
wrote 3. It is 8. You wrote 3 by mistakenly.
It is 3.
Ma'am, ऊपर A के बाजू में, A के बाजू में.
Ma'am,
का
the
power
is
में,
equal
का power.
to it, no, ma'am.
2 raised to 3, na? Okay, sorry. 2 raised to 8 hai na?
It's 8, no.
Wait. 2 raised to 3. It is 2 raised to 8. Okay. So here it is 2 raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 6 into a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3. Answer is 2 raised to 8 minus 6, 2. And a raised to 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Exponents are same. So 2a whole ka power 2. This I was telling you to write. Yes, Amina. So 2a whole ka power 2.
Ma'am, I gave you that. I gave you that only.
Write one more step. 2a whole का power 2.
I gave this one 2a raised to 2 का power as well.
हाँ, 2a whole
I
का
said
power.
it.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, next question.
Ma'am, I was
This
writing.
was. Do it on your own, Ibrahim. Not learned
No,
yet.
ma'am, I
it
was
on your
that
own.
I was at the last one. Like 2 raised to 8 and
No, you
2
can
raised
do
to
it.
6.
It is simple.
So
only.
how we will do?
Here, how we will do? Still not
Yes,
understood.
understood, sir.
So 9th done, 10th का आंसर निकालो.
Five raised to 10.
A है ना? 10th में you have A.
Sorry. A raised to 10.
Yes. Answer is A raised to 10.
Ma'am, for the previous question, the answer was 2 raised to 4, 2a raised to 4.
No.
Ma'am, for this one, ma'am, for 9, it is 2, ma'am, A raised to 2 and B raised to 1.
10th answer, Aisha Yahoo, which question you are doing? Question number 1 का 10 तो कब का कर लिया? We are doing question number 2 का 10. Aisha Yahoo. Question number 11.
Ma'am, I gave you in chat.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the 10th answer, the answer is a raised to 10.
Thank you. Correct answer, Abdullah. Answer is
No, answer is A power 3B, na?
Ma'am, I gave you.
yes, correct. We need correct.
Ma'am, A cube into
12th part. Yes.
means
Ma'am,
1.
12 at ma'am 2 8. Ma'am
2 raised to 8.
Ma'am, yeah, 2 raised to 8.
Correct. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 2s are 8. Understood? All the answers given now. Let us do question 3.
Ma'am, wait, I want to write the question.
Which question?
The question number 12.
Say true or false. So you have to say whether it is true or false. Okay.
False. First one is false.
It's false. It's false.
Yes, because it is 10 raised to 12,
12.
which is not equal to 100 raised to 11. Okay. Is it true or false?
False.
8 and this is 25 this way. Tell me this one.
False.
Yes, this is also false. Okay.
False.
This is also false.
All of
3
it
raised
is
to
false.
0.
Answer will
Wait,
be
this is not false.
Ma'am, that is
Sorry.
how it is
This
false.
is true now. This is true now.
Ma'am, answer will be 1. True. Ma'am.
Okay, anything raised to 0 is 1. So
But it
So,
is
ma'am, that
written
is
1000.
1000. ma'am.
yes.
It is
Anybody
But it is
ask?
raised to 0. But it is
3 raised
raised
to
to 0.
0 is also 1. 1000 raised to 0 is also 1. Both are equal. So it is true. Okay, now express each of the following as product of prime factors only in exponential form. So what you have to do, first you will find out 108 ka prime factor, then you will find 192 ke prime factors, and then you will write it in the powers. Understood? Like ye ho gaya, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. तो how many twos इसमें हो गया? Now 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and 2 3s are 6. नीचे में 3 आएगा. Okay. So how many? Now this will be written as equal to how many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 raised to 8 and 1 2 3 4 into 3 raised to 4. So like this you have to write the answer. Understood? Okay, I'll do it on whiteboard. You want me to do it on whiteboard?
For 270 only one exponential form wala करना. For the
You
only
have
one number.
to write it in exponential form. Yes. Question
Ma'am,
given
what
is,
is the answer, ma'am?
pay attention and see rest of the question. You have to do like this. 192. You have to write it in exponential form. So पहले 108 का prime factorization 2
2
5
5s are 10. 2 yes.
2 of 2 7s are 2. Sorry, 3 9s are 3
3
3s are,
3s are 3 1s are.
and 192 का हो गया 2 9s are 18. Sorry, हाँ ठीक ही तो है. 2 9s are
2
18.
6s are 12.
2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4,
2 12s are 2 6s are
2
2
3s
3s
are.
are 3 1s are.
Now write the values. ये हो गया 1 2, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. Okay, now write the value of 192. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 1. What is the answer when bases are same, powers are added? So 2 raised
2
to
raised to 8
And
into
3
3
and
raised to
3
So this
raised
is
to
the
4.
answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? So this way you have to write the answer. So I'm giving you the next question now. Same way you have to do this. 272, 270. Write it in the exponential form.
Ma'am, can you screen share the textbook?
Question I have given you, why do you want the screen share? I have given 270.
Only 270.
Yes. Okay. Aisha Yahoo. 3 ka power and 5 ka power is correct. 2 ka power is wrong. Check 2 ka power. Nobody got 270 ka?
Ma'am, I gave in chat.
Ma'am, I got.
Correct answer.
2 into 5 into 3 raised to 3.
Umaira wrong. Aisha Yahoo, yes, 2 ka power is 1. Amina Muhammadi, correct answer. Okay, next is 729 into 64. Last part also complete. 729 into 64. Yes, Sufyan, correct answer.
Ma'am, can you check mine?
Ibrahim wrong. 5 hai, you have not written 5 over here. 3 you have written.
Ma'am, I wrote 5 raised to 1.
Where have you written, Ibrahim?
Oh,
दिखाएंगे?
sorry, I forgot. So the answer is 2 into 5 into 3 raised to 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Next question is this 729 into 64.
Ma'am, is my answer correct? I have sent you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is my answer?
Oh, Yahya, your answer is correct. Rashda, 2 ka power is wrong. Humaira, which answer you are giving? 729 wala.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct answer. Sufyan and Humaira, correct answer. Yes, Rashda, now it is correct. Okay. So 729 into 64, complete this question, everyone. Prime factorization and powers you have to write. And that is all for today's class. Muhammadi, correct answer. This one, last one. Okay, the last question we'll do in the next class. That's all for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.